this one, this is a question I just want to ask, is how many disciples with Jesus? Because this concept, I hope, helps you expand your understanding. Because when we talk about disciples with Jesus, often people say, well, he had 12. He had 12. And you're right. That was the beginning, was the 12. But if you look, Jesus sends out the 12. He asks them to come follow. And then he sends those 12 to go out and they come back. But he doesn't only have the 12. First, he sends out the 12. When they come back, then Jesus also sends out the 72. And so those 72 now, they watch and look at those 12 go out and come back. And then Jesus says, you saw? Now it's your turn. You get to go out and come back. And I think it's interesting. Jesus, he has those 12 that he personally, he works with them and mentors. But if you take 72 divided by 12, how many? That's 6. So if you look at this concept, Jesus, he mentored those 12. But then Jesus also had, each one of you 12, I want you to help mentor 6 more. So Jesus was showing them, I'm giving it to you. You now give it and pass it on. See, this whole concept, and if you also want more from the Old Testament, this is exactly the same idea and concept that Jethro, okay, who was Moses' father-in-law. Moses was trying to do all the work himself. And Jethro, his father-in-law, came and said, you're going to wear out yourself and wear out your people. You need to divide people. And so you have these, and then these, and then these, and then these. It's already there in the Old Testament. Jesus has the same example. He picks out, and you'll notice you can even pick, he has 3, he has 12, he has 72, but then goes down, they also have 120. He lists, so Jesus has many more disciples, not just 12. And if you want to read more about that, you can read in Acts chapter 1, when they replaced Judas. Peter says, we need to pick from someone who has been with us since the beginning. So it wasn't only the 12 with them since the beginning. There were a lot more disciples with Jesus since the beginning for all 3 years. So when you get this idea, remember that. So for you and I, it's the same concept. And we're going to show you that next. How do we take this same concept and give it and give it and give it? So ask people, how many disciples with Jesus? Often they will say 12. Now you know. Explain there were many more. God bless you as you study his word.